Alright, this is a caprice wagon. It's being shot on my my new Muztec camera. It's pretty cool. The sound quality is pretty good, so I'm going to do an exhaust clip for you. It's a single straight pipe. Yeah, sounds pretty good, but you be the judge. Stinky. Yep, there's the exhaust. Hope that picked it up good, because my first try I tried it on the other side, but this is the side with the exhaust and whatnot. Yep. Oh, another thing. I'll show you dual air hose air cleaner. I still have it on. There it is. And I took out the Dixie horn for the winter. It's all good. And there's the air cleaner right there. Looks good. I like the quality of this camera. $26, you can't go wrong. Alright, see you guys later.